Good morning. This is Chris on the longest way, and you know, trying to walk from China, blah blah. We're on a country road here. Today is July the 16th, by the way. I think it's a Saturday, and we just left the place of many bees, and I didn't get stung, so that's awesome. And the people are very nice. The bees were very nice for not stinging me. And now we're walking on this dirt path here. This gravel road. There's a field. There's a cemetery. And it's very quiet. The main road is a little bit down that way. And I can see it from here. There's lots of trucks and cars. So I'm happy to be here for the time being. I don't know what's going to happen with this gravel road, how it's going to evolve. But as of now, it seems good. I like it. Salud. Turist. Salud. Ah, they were Hungarians. Okay. Oh wow, I can see the city over there. Looks very industrial. Ooh. And the gravel road has devolved into this, but so far it's still okay. We'll see, we'll see. I just don't want to be on the main road. I just don't want to. You gotta turn your heads, idiots. No? Too lazy? Head's too heavy? Thinking about the world? Yeah. Everybody gets that. It is annoying right now. So I'm just gonna walk past you guys here. God fucking damn it! It's like I take a 30-kilometer detour to get on a better road, and this is the shit that I get? Fuck you! God, fuck all of you. Fuck you and your roads. Fuck you and your cars. The truck drivers are kind of cool though. But the car drivers, God, I really don't understand this. What's wrong with this road? What's wrong with Romania? Like, what the hell is this? Why do all the cars go here? Why does everybody speed? What the fuck? I wonder if this is the way. It looked like it on a map, kind of, and I really wanted to get away from the road, so here we are, and it's very golden. Look how golden it is. Isn't that the nicest shit? They're so full. So full. Tergumures. One major stop on the longest way. One major destination. And I'm finally here. I'm looking for the infectious disease hospital 2 because I just came from the first one and they don't do rabies there. They told me to come to this one. I don't know where it is. There's these high-rise residential buildings here, block after block. That looks like a hotel or something. And then where is the infectious disease department 2? So I got the shot, but it took such a long time. Such a long time. And also I need to go back and pay for it, which is weird because the 4 times before this I never had to pay anything. And in CBO it was really like a 5-minute thing. Go in, show my passport, get a shot, leave. But here, man, it's like a whole different system. I'm gonna take 2 weeks off here so I can rest. Gonna look at some stuff, take it easy, and hopefully I'm gonna be refreshed after. These last few weeks have been a little bit, well, what can I say? I mean, it's been fun, but I'm exhausted. Like really exhausted. I need to find a mental state where I don't feel so stressed anymore. Where do we have to go here? Let's just keep going straight. How are there this many birds? Wow. So many birds all in the house. They're all sitting on the house. They're pooping on the house. Fucking A, dude. Whoa! You're done with the house, aren't you? Pooped enough?